Welcome to Learn, Study and Grow. Subscribe to my channel. I go to school every day. I go to school every day. My school is big. My school is big. I wear uniform. I wear uniform. I have many friends at school. I have many friends at school. We learn to read and write. We learn to read and write. My teacher helps me to learn. My teacher helps me to learn. I bring back to school. I bring back to school. I use a pencil and eraser. I use a pencil and eraser. We sit at our desk. We sit at our desk. I open my book in the class. I open my book in the class. We listen to our teacher. We listen to our teacher. I draw pictures in art class. I draw pictures in art class. I count numbers in math. I count numbers in math. I sing song in music class. I sing song in music class. We run and play in PE. We run and play in PE. I eat lunch in the classroom. I eat lunch in the classroom. We have a library at school. We have a library at school. I raise my hand to speak. I raise my hand to speak. We clean up before we go. We clean up before we go. I love my school. I love my school.